Old World Design with Rosalia Pereira. Welcome to the Detalles. This week we'll be exploring the aesthetic beauty of Old World design. Homes that carry components of Old World design are elegant, functional, and comfortable at the same time. Interiors have a profound effect in our lives. We hope we can help you get inspired to incorporate some of the components of Old World design into your decor. What is Old World design? Old World design is a mix of a variety of periods and influences from several different places such as Spain, Italy, and France, dating back to the 16th and 17th century Europe. No matter where it's rooted, the look always calls to mind a sense of antiquity, elegance, and sophistication. Distressed and antique furniture are a fundamental building block of this style. All wood, patina, rustic pieces, metals, and stones should feel as though they have been shipped from Italy or France. Objects that suggest years of use and handcrafting. Architectural elements like exposed beams, exposed brick, and stone walls are a timeless component of this beautiful decor. You can recreate the look of stone walls with a realistic faux finish if using actual stone is not possible. In the same way furniture can be faux finish to age or antiqued, walls can be transformed to appear rugged or textured as well. Watch for upcoming videos on texturizing walls and stenciling stone onto walls. The Old World look offers a combination between warmth and formality. Furnishings are comfortable and elegant, imposing and cozy. Rooms should have a lived-in yet formal appearance that invites people to come in and sit down. Timeless design can be achieved using quality materials with a classic and sophisticated feel. Includes oversized furniture and varying textures. The Old World palette is infused with muted colors. Colors like ochres, browns, golds, grays, silvers, navy blues, rustic oranges, greens, and burgundies, grounded by black, cream, and ivory, like the colors the Dutch painting Rembrandt used in most of his paintings. Painted solid walls are a great way to make the furniture stand out. Additionally, hand-trowel plaster walls, faux finishes, and Venetian plasters are a great options for walls. Old World design furniture is freestanding. Kitchen appliances are best when hidden away in Old World design. Custom cabinetry panels and doors are great to conceal microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers so that they blend into the decor. Scale and proportion are a must in this style. Having proper scale and proportion of objects, furniture, and accessories helps to create balance in the room. It makes a room harmonious and welcoming. Layering also defines old-world style. We hope we got you inspired to add components of the old-world design into your home. Until next time, thank you for watching. Remember, beauty is in the detalles.